Welcome to Learn 10S! In today's video, we're diving into the incredible mysteries of the universe. Get ready to learn 10 mind-blowing facts in just 3 minutes. Let's get started. Fact 1. The universe is estimated to be 13.8 billion years old. This vast expanse of time is almost unimaginable, stretching back to the very moment of the Big Bang, when everything we know began. Imagine this: if the entire history of the universe were compressed into a single year, each month would represent over 1 billion years. In this cosmic calendar, humans would have appeared in the last second of December 31st. This perspective shows just how recent our existence is in the grand timeline of the universe. Fact 2. A teaspoon of neutron star material would weigh about 6 billion tons. To put that into perspective, it's like compressing all of Mount Everest into a sugar cube. Fact 3. There are more stars in the universe than grains of sand on all the beaches of Earth. And each one of those stars might have planets orbiting it, potentially billions of Earth-like worlds. Fact 4. Ever heard of spaghettification? It's what happens when you get too close to a black hole. The gravitational pull stretches objects into long, thin shapes before they're swallowed up. Fact 5. The observable universe is 93 billion light-years wide. But here's the catch: there's likely much more beyond what we can see. Fact 6. Venus is hotter than Mercury even though it's farther from the sun. Its thick atmosphere acts like a heat-trapping blanket, making it the hottest planet in the solar system. Fact 7. Here's a strange one. A single day on Venus is longer than a year. Imagine waking up and realizing that by the time the sun sets, almost an entire Earth year has passed. It rotates so slowly that its day lasts 243 Earth days, making it the slowest rotating planet in our solar system. While its year is just 225 days, this means that a day on Venus is actually longer than its year, a truly mind-boggling fact. Fact 8. Jupiter has 79 known moons, but Europa is the most fascinating. Beneath its icy surface lies an ocean, and scientists believe it could harbor alien life. Fact 9. The Milky Way is slowly drifting toward the Andromeda Galaxy. In about 4.5 billion years, the two will merge to form a new galaxy. Don't worry, it'll be spectacular, not disastrous. Fact 10. Did you know sunlight takes 8 minutes to reach Earth, so when you watch a sunrise, you're actually seeing the sun as it was 8 minutes ago? That's it. We've journeyed through the cosmos and uncovered some truly mind-blowing facts about our universe. In just 3 minutes, we explored 10 incredible facts that highlight the vastness and mystery of space. From the birth of stars to the enormity of black holes, the universe never ceases to amaze. Which fact surprised you the most? Was it the sheer size of the Milky Way or the fascinating life cycle of stars? Let us know in the comments below. We love hearing your thoughts and engaging with our curious community. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more quick knowledge with Learn 10S. Stay curious and keep exploring the wonders of the universe with us.